Retirement at 65? That's the biggest lie you've been told. The system wants you to believe that you need to work 40+ years, save a little here and there, and maybe enjoy life when you're too tired to live it. But there's a better way. And if you're willing to break the rules and follow a smarter plan, you can retire decades earlier than anyone expects. Here's how you do it. Step by step. Phase 1. Know your freedom figure. Most people go their entire lives without knowing the number they need to walk away from their job forever. That number is called your freedom figure, and figuring it out is the very first step toward early retirement. Here's the formula. Take the amount of money you want to live on each year and multiply it by 25. Want $50,000 a year? You'll need $1.25 million invested. That's it. That number, when invested properly, can generate 4% returns per year, enough to cover your lifestyle without touching the principal. If you don't know your number, you're running a race without a finish line. But once you see it, everything starts to click into place. Phase 2. Lay your foundation. Before you can build wealth, you need to build a base. Otherwise, you're stacking money on quicksand. Step 1 is killing off high-interest debt. Think of it like a hole in your financial bucket. You can't fill it until you patch the leak. Use the debt avalanche method. Make minimum payments on everything, then attack the highest interest rate first. Step 2 is setting up an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses will protect you from unexpected setbacks and keep your investments safe when life throws a curveball. Step 3 is building your credit score. Think of it like your financial resume. Start by using a credit card for small purchases and paying it off in full each month. No interest, no drama, just steady growth. Step 4 is learning how to beat taxes. Open a 401k or Roth IRA. Use every legal advantage to keep more of your money. Smart savers don't just earn more, they keep more. This phase may not feel flashy, but it's absolutely essential. You can't build wealth on a shaky foundation. Phase 3. Stack your income streams. If you rely on a single paycheck, you're one emergency away from disaster. But when you build multiple income streams, you gain real security. Start by finding a side hustle that fits your skills. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just look at what you already know how to do. Whether it's flipping products, freelancing, tutoring, or selling online, small wins stack fast. The key is sustainability. If you hate what you're doing, you won't stick with it. But if you enjoy it, or better yet, see progress, it becomes easier to stay consistent. And here's the rule. The more value you provide, the more you get paid. Focus on solving real problems, and the money will follow. Phase 4. Build passive income. Once your side hustle starts generating extra cash, don't blow it. This is where the real game begins. Use that money to create passive income, investments that grow while you sleep. Start with low-cost index funds. They're simple, reliable, and backed by decades of consistent performance. Turn on automatic dividend reinvesting and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Explore crypto cautiously. Stick with well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and never put in more than you're willing to lose. Keep it under 5% of your portfolio and treat it like a bonus, not a plan. And when you're ready, look into real estate. It's the ultimate wealth builder. With the right deal, a rental property can pay for itself while increasing in value. That's leverage working in your favor. Passive income isn't magic. It still takes effort to set up. But once it's rolling, it frees up your time and gives you options. The truth most people won't tell you. This path isn't easy. You're going to hit roadblocks. You'll feel like giving up. But here's the truth. Hard doesn't mean impossible. If you stay focused and stick to the plan, your future self will thank you. Because this isn't just about money, it's about freedom. The freedom to live life on your own terms, to work when you want, travel where you want, and say no to anything that doesn't serve you. It's not about retiring to do nothing. It's about retiring so you can do everything that matters. So what's your freedom figure? Take a second and calculate it. Visualize it. Write it down. And then start working toward it. One phase at a time. If you're serious about building wealth and buying back your time, subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments. What's the one step you're starting with today? Your early retirement doesn't need to be a dream. It just needs a plan. And now, you've got one.